Hey guys, welcome back to Pistonhead Productions, Pistonhead Garage, whatever you want to call it. We are back with the Fiesta derp. We are actually here at Dunlop Automotive. My buddy JD is going to let me use the shop. Gotta do a couple things today. First thing is put in a head unit. If you guys are part of our Patreon, you already saw, hopefully, the video where I went to the junkyard and picked it up. It was pretty sweet actually. There's a lot of cool stuff, but this is essentially what the kind of the head unit looks like. So I'm hoping this one's gonna work. That one's out of a 2012, this is a 2013. We're also going to throw the struts in that are blown. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So nothing too crazy, but like I said, if you're part of our Patreon, you already saw the video where I went to the junkyard and saw some cool engines, saw some cool cars, and pulled those out. So we'll, I guess we'll just get into it and get this bad boy out. All right, so to take this out is actually fairly easy. All we need to do is pry this bad boy up, which normally I would use a proper removal tool to stop from scratches, but I'm not gonna lie, I really don't care that much about this car. So, there we go. Oh, that felt like something broke. Once that's up, there are a couple of little screws up top here. I believe they take a 7mm. Let's take those bad boys out. Okay, now that the screws are out, we're going to pop this out. Something fell out. That's lovely. Hopefully that wasn't important, but there we go. Whew. That should just fold down, and that will expose our head unit, which we can now slide out. Undo the plugs at the back. Now, I'm already noticing that these are different, which makes me a little concerned, because if you look, that one's got an extra plug. I'm not entirely sure what that's for. So that was the one that we had out of the thing. This is the other one. Everything else looks primarily the same. So I guess we'll see if it works out. I've just got an extra plug on here that I don't need, but see what happens. Okay, so the fuse panel for this Fiesta is behind the glove box, and the fuse that we're going after is F10. So if you look at the top right of your screen right now and see that empty slot, that's where we're missing a 15 amp fuse. And yeah, so I'll throw one of those bad boys in, and hopefully this radio works. If we have a radio, well, that's always a good sign. Oh, no way. Oh yeah! What? There's a CD in it. Taking guesses. What's it gonna be? Sean Paul. Oh, fuck. Garbage. The Trinity. I can't believe that. Let's see if the CD works. I won't put in the actual Sean Paul music because, once again, demonetized. It works, unfortunately. Auxiliary input. I don't have a cable, but I don't know. See. Hopefully that's the one I really want to work, but I will test that eventually. Okay, so now radio's done. Gonna work on getting the struts off. Okay, I said strut, I meant shock. These things are super easy. It's literally this bolt here, and then there's 2 more bolts way up top, and then that takes it out. And then I'll show you what the new ones look like. I think this is a 19. Okay, there's our blown shock. And if you couldn't tell, it's super blown. So just gonna take that bad boy off and put the new one on and bolt it back in. So not too bad. Okay, new shock. Gabriele. So they're Italian. Sure. Not Gabriel. Gabriele. So I gotta throw that stuff back on and then toss it back in. Ultra. This thing's gonna get taken down tail of the dragon, so we need ultra. Oh, this scares me. All right, guys, that does it for us for this episode of the Fiesta. Big shout out to Dunlop Automotive and JD. If you guys are in Muskoka, even if you're not, make the trip. Check out Dunlop Automotive. There'll be a little linky thing up here, so you can check him out. The new shocks are in. Super happy about that. Radio's in, so and go do a little bit of cruising, make sure everything works out well. But thank you again for watching. Thank you to everybody on Patreon, really appreciate it. Make sure to check out the videos. There'll be the newest video as well as the suggested video. And yeah, we will catch you guys next time.